Experiencing a no signal message on your Spectrum cable box? Don't worry, it's a common problem often linked to issues you can troubleshoot yourself. The primary culprits are the coaxial cable, splitters, and signal levels. First, power cycle your cable box by unplugging it for 60 seconds. Then, meticulously inspect the coaxial cable running from the wall to your cable box and from the cable box to your TV. Look for any kinks, bends, or damage to the cable itself. Ensure the cable is securely screwed into both the wall outlet and the cable box. Loose connections are a frequent cause of signal loss. Next, if you're using splitters to distribute the cable signal to multiple devices, examine those. Make sure they are correctly connected, with the input leg connected to the cable coming from the wall and the output legs connected to your devices. Check for any signs of corrosion or damage to the splitter itself. Consider replacing old or low-quality splitters with newer, high-quality RG6 rated splitters. Remember, splitters degrade over time and can significantly reduce signal strength. Finally, if problems persist after these steps, it's time to assess your signal levels, which can be done via the Spectrum app or contacting Spectrum for a technician check, as problems might stem from the provider's head end. Coaxial cables, or Coax, are shielded cables that carry TV and internet signals from Spectrum. For optimal performance, use RG6 cable, which has better shielding and lower signal loss compared to older RG59 cables. Avoid RG59 for long cable runs, as it has higher attenuation and can cause signal degradation over distance. Splitters divide the cable signal among multiple outlets, but they introduce insertion loss, typically 3 to 4 dB per split. This loss can accumulate and weaken your signal. Avoid daisy-chaining multiple splitters, as oversplitting can drop the signal below usable levels and cause no signal errors. Signal levels are measured in dBmV. For digital cable, downstream TV signals should be between -15 to +15 dBmV. Upstream internet signals need 35 to 55 dBmin. Low signal levels below -10 dBmV cause pixelation or no signal errors, while levels above +20 dBmV can overload the tuner. Another key metric is SNR, or signal-to-noise ratio, which should be greater than 30 dB for clear reception. Understanding these components and checking signal levels will help you pinpoint the source of your Spectrum cable box signal issues.